Hi everyone. The following video demonstrates how to knit an English seed stitch. This stitch creates a two-sided fabric, expanding its range of applications. The right side looks almost the same as the seed stitch, while the wrong side has a nice checkerboard relief. The pattern involves 2 loops and 2 rows, repeated with an offset to achieve that beautiful texture. Start knitting by casting on an even number of stitches. The first row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 1. Make a yarn over loop and slip 1. Again, knit 1, make a yarn over loop, and slip 1. Knit 1, make a yarn over loop, and slip 1. The second row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2 loops together and purl 1. Again, knit 2 loops together and purl 1. Knit 2 loops together and purl 1. The third row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, make a yarn over loop and slip 1, then knit 1. Again, make a yarn over loop and slip 1, then knit 1. Make a yarn over loop and slip 1, then knit 1. The fourth row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, purl 1. Then knit 2 loops together. Again, purl 1, then knit 2 loops together. Purl 1, then knit 2 loops together. When knitting in the round, we start with an even number of loops. On the first row, knit 1, make a yarn over loop, and slip 1. On the second row, knit 1 and purl 2 together. Knit 1 and purl 2 together. On the third row, make a yarn over loop and slip 1, then knit 1. Make a yarn over loop and slip 1, then knit 1. On the fourth row, purl 2 together and knit 1. Purl 2 together and knit 1. On this screen, you can see the flat and round knitting patterns. You can copy them by pausing the video and taking a screenshot with the print screen button. I have presented you with a two-sided English seed stitch. It is more voluminous and embossed than the usual seed pattern. This knitting pattern is easy to remember and perfect for beginners. It is great for making clothes, scarves, capes, and cardigans. I hope you find it useful for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.